And our fourth factor is morale. So guys, morale is kind of your fighting spirit. It's this, hey, we can do it, kind of go-getter attitude. And so you want morale to be up, you want morale to be high. That means you're seeing those things, there's a high level of patriotism. So remember how important supplies are. The citizens in your country, they are the ones producing those supplies. They're the ones that have to make these sacrifices like rationing and things like that. And so if they're not on board, uh, you're probably not going to have a real successful war effort. The examples are numerous, guys, including later on the Vietnam War. Militarily, we didn't lose that war. We lost Vietnam. We didn't win that war because the American people were not behind it. Initially, a lot of Americans were behind it, but it kind of snowballed with protests where the American people did not support this war. A lot of people felt like it was an unjust war, and so we couldn't continue forward with it. And so morale is very, very important. The government recognized that, guys, and so they created the Committee of Public Information. And so their job was basically to raise morale in the U.S., to make sure that people were still supporting the war, being patriotic. And so naturally, they hired a bunch of advertisement people, advertisement executives to try and promote the war, try and promote, war bonds, right? Get people to buy war bonds. And so this was a very important part of the potential success for the United States as well. And so, yeah, those are our four factors for preparing for the war. I'll be sending out another video, guys, soon for how we are going to win the war. But for now, that does it, and I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon.